problem 4.45 on page 144 of your text. In this case, it's going to ask you to calculate the tracking signal. So what direction is the data going? So we go to chapter number 4. Now we can see that we have the actual and the forecast numbers. So once again, that should tell us that's an error analysis. There are 8 periods of time. We go, okay. Now, as you've seen me do several times in the past, I have already pre-populated this. So I'm simply going to copy and paste. Simply paste here. And I forgot to do something, which a lot of students do. When you go to the chapter, all right, so I'm going to leave the error in. I made a mistake. There are 8 periods of time. But what I forgot to do, and what I've had many students do in the past, so I'm going to say I did this on purpose, although I didn't, is I need to select the tracking signal on the main screen. So I pick tracking signal and then go OK. So then I'm going to go copy and paste again. All right. So just let me select the data. Now you can see on the far right-hand side, I have a tracking signal where I didn't before. So the tracking signal is this number, 3.58. Your tracking signal will tell you how well the model is doing, and the larger the tracking signal, either negative or positive, will tell you in this case that it's tracking upwards, and it should be less than 4. And as you can see, it went from negative 1.11, and it's gotten bigger and bigger and bigger pretty much. And this is not good. So you would have a larger tracking signal is not considered to be good. And if you want more details on that, you can see that in this particular case, I'll refer you to page 132 of your book. It says you should be within 4 mean absolute deviations, and you can see we're higher than that. And so we have a very high tracking signal, and it indicates that it's not within acceptable range. So there is a problem, or the model is getting worse and worse in its ability to predict. So we need to make some adjustments to our model.